G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. June has just started, but May was one of the worst performing months for cryptocurrencies in terms of how much the price and value came down. Now you might be waiting for the right time to buy in this market, but even better, you can get some cryptocurrencies right now for free without having to fork out your own cash. And by doing this, you'll also be able to learn things about DeFi like staking, etc, etc. So here are 5 cryptocurrency airdrops for you to check out. First airdrop for June that we're looking at is the Base Reward Token, BRT. The Base Reward ecosystem seeks to bring together cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and traditional businesses in a single community, and they're going to give you $75 worth. Now what you have to do is you have to create an account on their website. Here's their website, pretty extensive. You can read about what they're doing, what they're offering. Once you've done that, you have to join their Telegram group and channel, follow them on Facebook, and follow them on Twitter to get your $75 worth. And just judging by their website, it looks like a pretty interesting cryptocurrency project. They've already got a Base Reward wallet on the app stores, so check that out. But that is BRT, Base Reward Token. Next cryptocurrency on the list that you can get for free with an airdrop in June is Sharp Pay, and they are giving you $50 worth of crypto. SharpPay offers users of websites with blockchain-based rewards for content promotion to share content on multiple platforms. So they're going to set up a ecosystem where if you share content, you will get rewarded. Now to get their $50 worth of cryptocurrencies, you need to join their Telegram group, and there'll be further instructions there. Join their Telegram channel, follow them on Twitter, and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Now, while you're over there subscribing to their YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe on my channel as well. This is their website. Sharing is the new mining. You can read their white paper here. They've got news and further details, how it works, etc, etc, and a timeline and a roadmap. You can read more about it there. And there is their Twitter account. And if you want, you can follow me on Twitter as well. I'm there, Harry Axe. Next up, we've got Next Moon. So we've had Safe Moon. This is Next Moon. They're going to give you $22 worth of cryptocurrencies. Next Moon is an NFT-centered token. You can read more about it here. They've got a few more hoops to jump through. You have to fill out their airdrop form, join their Telegram group and channel, share some posts, join their Twitter, Facebook, subscribe to their Reddit. And if you do a few extra things that they say on this page, you'll get an extra $20 on top of that. This is their website, Next Moon Token, a token with a real project, a token with blockchain projects centered around NFT ecosystem and moonshots investing and discovery. You can read about it throughout their website. This is their Twitter account, which you need to follow. And this is their Reddit, and it has almost 3,000 members. Next up, 4th cryptocurrency that you can get for free via airdrop is Pancake Fork Finance, and they're giving you $40 worth. It's an automated market maker on the Binance Smart Chain, forked from PancakeSwap. They offer yield farming and staking, so you can take your airdropped cryptos and stake them and make even more. But you have to fill out this form, follow them on Twitter, join their Telegram, join their channel, and follow them on Medium. And this is Pancake Fork Finance right here. Then you've also got Twitter if you want to find out more. And lastly, we've got Yearn Shark Finance. They're only giving you $12 worth, but worth checking out for any future potential. They're a decentralized exchange for swapping of DeFi tokens and staking. You have to go onto Telegram, join their chat and channel, follow them on Twitter, and then submit your Ethereum address.
here is their Twitter account where you can find out more information. So those are the top crypto airdrops for June. You can check out this article on CoinDo and let me know in the comments how you went with the airdrops.
Okay guys, hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, but that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.